So let's do this now. Okay, let's see what it means. So the problem one says that if I find my keys is represented by P, okay, so it's a statement. I am late for work is represented by Q. How would I represent I'm not late for work and I found my keys? Raise hands. Yeah.
Negation operator P and Q.
Negation operator P, which says that I am. No.
Effectively negate P.
Okay. I'm late for work. The first one says that I find my keys. Yeah, go ahead.
Both the statements are false and we will use AND operator.
Okay. So the answer would be. No. So see, the thing is, you don't tell me whether this thing is false or not. You tell me how do I write it down as kind of conjunction, disjunction, negation, or exclusive OR operator based on P and Q. Okay, I have P and I have a Q statement. Now I have a bunch of operators that I can use to make another compound statement which represents this statement. Okay, this is a compound statement, right? Yeah. P disjunction Q. See, P disjunction Q would be that P says that I find my keys. Okay, so P is I found my keys or I am late for work. Okay, so P disjunction Q would be that I found my keys or I am late for work. But that's not what I'm saying here. Yeah.
Exclusive OR.
Or you would use exclusive OR. I think not. Yeah.
So negation Q and P.
Negation Q and P is the answer. See, the thing is, look at the first part. The first part says that I am not late for work. This is just the negation of Q. Okay? The Q says that I am late for work. So the negation of Q would say that I am not late for work. Okay? Then I use AND operator. Okay? Over here. And then I say I found my keys. Okay, when I say I found my keys, I'm just saying P. Okay, so it's the negation of Q and P. All right, are we on the same page?
Yes.
Good. All right, let's move on. The second problem, P is it's raining and Q is that I forgot my umbrella. And I want to write down it's not raining or I forgot my umbrella. Yeah.
Sir, not P or Q.
Not P, yes, or Q. Yeah, that's quite simple, right? It's the negation of the first statement, and there is an OR operator, and then I would say that I forgot my umbrella. Okay, which is Q. All right. Awesome. And again, note that यहाँ पे जो OR use हो रहा है, this OR is not the usual OR. Okay, this is the OR in the logical sense. Okay, this OR allows the possibility that both of these statements are true. Okay, all right. Third one. Suppose P is I have cookies and Q is I have milk, and I want to write down I have cookies and milk. Absolutely. This is simple conjunction. I would just say P and Q. All right. I hope everyone is on board. If there are any complaints, now is the time to raise your hand. We didn't see an example of that. We'll see at some point. Okay. Cool. So these are the solutions, and you guys figured them out on your own. I think I have another example. Yeah. How about this? So P and Q are two arbitrary propositions. Okay. You don't know what P represents. You don't know what Q represents. Can you see the screen from there? You cannot. Can you move over there? All of you. I don't know. Yeah, go ahead. There are 3 seats over there. Go sit there. Don't do this. Come on. This is not fair. Go ahead. I can hardly see from here. All right. So the question says that when will this thing happen? What kind of truth values for P and Q would make sure that this happens? Okay, so I want a condition on the truth value of P and the truth value of Q that will make sure that P. Are you part of this class? Are you part of this class?
Yes, sir.
You're too late. No, you're not supposed to enter after 5 minutes. Please leave. Please leave. Let's meet next week. All right. So this statement says that P exclusive or Q is not equal to P or Q. When will this happen? When will P exclusive or Q would be different from P or Q? Yeah.
And both P and Q are true.
Yeah. That's actually the answer. So think of all possible things that could happen with P and Q. When P and Q are different, one of them is true, the other one is false, then they are same, right? In those cases, we would get that P exclusive or Q is true, and P or Q would also be true. The other possibility is both of them are false. If both of them are false, then this thing would be false, and this thing would also be false. Okay, so that's not the case either. The only case that's left is when P and Q are both true. Okay, when they are both true, P or Q is true. Okay, but P exclusive or Q is not true. Okay, so the way to solve this is to look at all possible combinations. Okay, so there are 4 possibilities for the truth value of P and Q. And for each of them, you check whether they are equal or not. And there is only one possibility where they are not equal. Okay? And that's when both P and Q are true. Are we good? Yes. All right, let's look at the second one, which says that P or Q is equal to P and Q. Yeah, P and Q is only true when both of them are true. And in that case, P or Q would also be true. In all other cases, in all other cases, P and Q would be false. Oh, but what if both of them are false? उस केस में भी तो ये true होगा, right? All right. So this is true when both of them are false or both of them are true. Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah, we missed that. So when both of them are false, then they are equal, right? All right. The last one. P exclusive or Q and is equal to P and Q. Yeah. When both of them are false. Okay, let's see. I haven't figured that out yet. Let's see. So when they are different, this would be true and this would be false, right? When both of them are false, this would be false and this would be false. That's the one case. And when both of them are true, this would be false and this would be true. Okay, so the only case when these are equal is when both of them are false. All right, are we on the same page, everyone? Okay. Oh, okay, so for the second answer is not complete. When both P and Q are false, this is also equal. Okay. Moving on.